Hey world, y'all can see we working with red lace today, and if y'all want to see more, go ahead and keep watching. Hey world, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Deja May, and if you're new, say hey because hey, welcome or welcome back. It is nice to see y'all again. And as y'all saw, my client hit me up like, girl, somebody dyed my lace. Am I able to still get this install or do I have to get a new one? So if that is the reason why you clicked on this video because you accidentally dyed your lace on your frontal or your closure, the answer is yes. Yes, you can still dye. Yes, you can still install your wig even though you got dye on the lace. You just have to make sure that you go with a complexion a little bit darker than you would normally use so that you won't be able to see the tone of the lace that much. Now, if your lace is more dark, like you colored it and it's like a dark color, you may or may not still be able to see like the tint on the lace, even though you add the makeup, but it won't look as horrible. So, yeah, yes, you can still install your wig or frontal closure, even though the lace is stained a different color. I don't know how to get I don't know how to get it out, so I can't help y'all there, but you can definitely still install your wig. And if you want to see how, go ahead and keep watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys at the end of this video. And I just wanted to let y'all know that my times and days that I upload has changed. It used to be every 2 days at 4:45 p.m. It is now once a week and it is not set on a certain day. So just be on the lookout for your girl. I'm gonna start doing like hair lookbooks to where each week is a different style and a different style, me teaching y'all different things that I do in my installs that I feel like would be helpful for you guys in your installs. Um, that's pretty much it. So basically, I'll be doing like hair lookbooks, um, and what you can do to improve your installs at home in a salon by yourself. And that's all I really wanted to say to y'all. And I'm not talking to y'all throughout this video. So just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And after y'all subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification. And make sure after y'all hit the bell notification, you click all notifications. Because you can hit the bell notification, but it won't notify you. Yeah, it won't notify you when I upload a video unless you click the all. So click the subscribe, click the bell. After you click the bell, click all.
cautious, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.